Birthday Kuya Manny. Pasensya na at ako'y na-busy talaga so at yun na doon ako wag pansin sa mga kailangan ang dito. And again, birthday you mapaging very sport para and happy and more years na ah, lang malakas, lagi lang masaya, ayan. So, yun, happy birthday and wala akong masabi. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta mo, lahat ng love na binibigay mo namin lahat. And simula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw talaga yung napaka very very supportive kuya nan. So, di namin, ayan. So, yung kaalis nila. So, happy birthday. Yung great so, and hindi naman siya ayan sila sa bus. Happy birthday. Uh, basta enjoy your day. And thank you. Happy birthday, Kuya Manny. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You all the best, Kuya. Love you.